Ayan,
Whatever you want to do.
Auntie, this is me.
I the water.
Alam mo, blue yan? Asan na red? Asan na blue? Hula. Hula. Okay, guys. Ano naman siya? Okay po ang medium.
Okay, pang medium?
I heard tell.
Tapos,
Finally saw aliens up close.
Same yan kaya.
Just said
Ang hindi na ako sure dyan yung staff yung ang regalo. Hindi ko alam kung ay
big, ugly things without feathers.
yay! Why are you eating our fish? Ito po na wala ito. Ang good naman yan, Fern. Ako, nice yung kahapon. Seryoso. Alam mo to? Kasi hindi pwede man sabi na wala. Yay! Kami.
Kaya hindi ako sure. Baka yung racking niya. Yung bag na may lamang pa yun.
Uy, pareho kami. Yay!
Kabitiyo ba kayo?
Ay, ang cute! Ay, ang cute! Mickey Mouse! Kaya tinitingnan ko sa Walmart. Ay,
After 3 days, he was losing the sick boy.
ay, Mickey Mouse sa ating kapal. Picture tayo pa ba?
Yung isa long sleeve, yung isa short
All
sleeve.
but the
Short? Kapal kami.
Ah.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Dad. Bye. Ay, ang cute! Parang ayaw nga.
Ang bag lang niya, pero nandiyan, ganyan ako maglagay dyan.
Grabe. Wow!
Fluffy,
Toto!
what they say or do, we never stop believing.
Beaver! Ay, ang cute ata ko. Ito, last. Ako! Ito, last!
Ano yan?
Ito, last. Wow! Parang bag!
Rusty bag.
Ang cute!
Hmm.
Kita niyo, cute. Ay, white sa'yo. Wow, ganda. Merry Christmas, Daddy!
Gotta go to work.
Okay, Daddy.
Give my lechon.
Thank you, Dad.
Give my lechon.
Alright, Dad.
Kain na kayo. Last store for me. Sila.
Gusto niyo lahat yan?
Gusto ko lahat. Natutuwa ako. Really?
Kain na.
I know, di ba? Dad, ingat ka, Dad. Wanna try. Ang cute ng internet ko. Ako din. Cute. Ang dami naman ng bag. I know. Wow. Very galore. Lisa there. Very galore.
Tama yung bedroom sleeper.
Opo, sakto lang po siya. Sakto po siya.
Ang natin yung rusty all, everything eh. Wala silang rusting. Bed, ano?
siya lumaki dyan. Kaya mahilig siyang sumayaw ng sumayaw. Or talagang hindi talaga siya
Hindi, mahilig na talaga siya mag-
Oo, mahilig siya sumayaw. Kaso ayaw sa kanya.
The flight. What was
Hindi siya marunong.
I thought he was dead.
Hindi siya marunong sumayaw.
Everybody,
You're not.
everybody look it up. I've got something. I know.
Okay lang po yung auntie.
Ganda lang po nito. Grabe na tuwa na ako dito.
Fetch Noah and the elders.
Hey, you. Gloria.
Ate may bunting.
Seeing you again.
Puso bunting.
Yeah.
Sige.
Everything cool here, baby?
You remember Simo?
Yeah. Hi, George. Yeah. So, which one is yours?
All of them.
Ah.
This is our singing class.
Huh.
He teaches rhythm, I teach the blues.
So you're
I
not...
guess I never heard the right song, did I?
That's great. I didn't mean... well,
Oo,
I
hindi siya
found out
marunong
the things in the
kumanta.
pitch. They're big and kind of ugly, but Gloria, the
Well,
things that they can
nabuksan
do,
na namin
and
lahat
they're
ng
coming here.
gift.
Oh, so that's so.
They'll be... Well, they don't speak penguin, but they seem to respond to this.
Ako lahat.
Yes, we all do. It really gets their attention.
And why would it do that?
Me? Look at why.
Ang dami na siya. Sashakin ko na siya.
Why? That's okay.
Better. Hindi na ako kailangan bumili.
So,
You dare come back!
you said you found aliens, and they're taking our fish? They think they're coming, and then we all have to do this.
There's no such thing as aliens!
Mama, turn around. Ito, clinic.
But don't be afraid. I think it's a way to find you. That's all.
You let them here? Keep them on your own
Clinic.
time.
How's it doing gift? Burberry. Roxy sleeper for the cold weather. This is mine. I'm wearing it right now. At this moment, this is the Mickey Mouse pajama. Pajama. It's cute. Everything is good. Shirt. Thank you. And Auntie gave us this. Mia. Cute. And Daisy Jacobs. Cute. Tapos of course, itong bag na to. Bigay ni Auntie. Cute. Roxy din. Ay, astig. Wow. So, we already opened our presents. And Lisa, what can you say about it? She's innocent about the perfume. Na mababasag nga, I'm sure, yung dahon. But then, everything is good. Roxy bag, everything is Roxy. Thanks, Auntie. Merry Christmas. Bye.